Hi friends, welcome to my Dilshi Academy. Today let's learn 100 simple present tense sentences. Mary helps her mother with the cooking. The teacher gives instructions to the students. They go to Kandy by train. Farmers plug their fields after the rain. Mother prepares a delicious meal. The dog is barking. They are watching a program on TV. She is helping her mother. The boys are playing cricket. We are listening to the teacher. You are looking very smart. It is raining heavily. They are going shopping. People are buying things at the market. Mother is cooking a tasty meal. They are playing. You are fighting. It is raining. We are listening. He is coming. She is calling. The boy is crying. The river is flowing. The ship is sinking. The teacher is explaining. He is riding his bicycle to the school. They are cleaning their classroom. She is studying for an examination. The farmers are plugging their field. The children are listening to their teacher. The school is closing for the vacation. We are traveling by train to Kandy. I am sitting the examination in June. The postman is delivering letters. The fisherman is rowing his boat. The sun is sinking in the west. The wind is blowing hard. The birds are flying into their nest. The trees are beautiful. The people are returning home from work. It is getting dark. Vehicles are moving fast. A policeman is controlling traffic. Shopkeepers are shutting their doors. The cat is on the chair. There is a cat on the table. The monkey is chattering. There is an egg in the basket. My foot is wet. The man is riding a horse. These books are not mine. She helps her mother in the kitchen. The students buy food from the canteen. He walks very smartly. I know him very well. There are beautiful flowers in our garden. He is an honest boy. She is a kind girl who helps others. The dog is angry. The boy is sad. I am doing my homework. We are walking along the street. She is bathing in the river. The doctor is examining a patient. The vehicles are moving very slowly. The stars are shining in the sky. I like music and dancing. My father is a clerk. My mother is a housewife. I go to school by bus. My sister likes traveling and meeting people. It is raining today. The sun shines brightly. There is strong wind. My sister and I like chocolate. Father is reading the newspaper. The cat is drinking milk. My mother is cooking dinner. We must always respect elders. A man is watching a movie. There is a book in the cupboard. A boy is playing cricket. A woman is buying vegetables. A child is singing a song. There is a ship in the sea. A baby needs a lot of sleep. Milk contains a lot of nutrients. I play football. She understands English. Her parents help him. I am the monitor of my class. You are watching a children program. They are making a loud noise. This is your bag. He tries very hard. That's all for today. Still you didn't subscribe me? Please subscribe me and click the bell icon. Stay with me more grammar lessons and spoken English lessons with my Dilshi Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.